Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical steam cleaning, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from steam cleaning, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best steam cleaning from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1, DREAME 12 Pro Wet, Dry, Cordless Mop All-in-One Vacuum Cleaner with Hot Air Drying. The DREAME 12 Pro Wet, Dry, Cordless Mop is the ultimate solution for a smarter, more efficient cleaning experience. With its advanced hot air drying technology, this vacuum cleaner ensures the brush dries automatically in just 1 hour, saving you time and effort. The edge-to-edge cleaning brush is perfect for hard-to-reach areas, making it ideal for baseboards and corners. Powered by a long-lasting 6x4000 mAh battery, it offers up to 35 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge, while its 900 ml clean water tank allows for cleaning of large areas without frequent refills. Smart Dirt Detection adjusts suction power based on mess levels, ensuring optimal performance for every cleaning session. Additionally, the included serrated brush scraper helps prevent hair from winding around the roller. Featuring an LED screen and voice prompts, this vacuum cleaner brings convenience and precision to your daily cleaning routine. Clean smarter with the DREAME H12 Pro today. Number 2, Tineco Floor 1S 5 Smart Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop for Hard Floors. The Tineco Floor 1S5 Smart Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop is the ultimate tool for effortless cleaning on hard floors. This 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combines cutting-edge iLoop smart sensor technology to automatically adjust suction, water flow, and brush roller speed, ensuring a thorough clean for any mess, wet or dry. The exclusive brush roller design allows for deep cleaning along baseboards and hard-to-reach corners, leaving your floors dry and streak-free in minutes. With an enlarged water tank that's 30% larger than the previous generation, you can clean larger areas without constant refills. The dual-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate for a fresh clean every time. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance with the hands-free, self-cleaning function that deep cleans the roller and tubing. Plus, the 3-in-1 docking station stores and charges the unit. Ideal for homes with pets. The pet hair strainer ensures quick hair removal. Clean smarter with Tineco Floor 1S5. Number 3, Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner with 17-piece kit, powerful chemical-free cleaning for floors. And the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner with a 17-piece kit is your ultimate solution for powerful chemical-free cleaning on floors, tiles, and more. This portable steam cleaner generates superheated steam to break down stubborn dirt, grease, and grime effortlessly, ensuring a deep clean without the need for harsh chemicals. The versatile 17-piece kit includes specialized tools for cleaning a wide range of surfaces. From floors and kitchens to bathrooms, vehicles, and upholstery, its eco-friendly design makes it safe for your home, pets, and the environment. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner boasts a compact, lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver around tight spaces, corners, and hard-to-reach areas. With a large tank capacity, it delivers up to 50 minutes of continuous steam so you can clean without constant refills. Backed by a 2-year warranty, this steam cleaner ensures reliable performance, providing peace of mind with every clean. Number 4. IMAGIC M3 Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Cordless vacuum mop all-in-one for hard floors. The IMAGIC M3 Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner is an all-in-one cordless vacuum mop designed for efficient cleaning on hard floors. This powerful, lightweight cleaner allows you to vacuum and mop simultaneously, tackling wet and dry messes with ease. It's perfect for sealed hard floors, including hardwood, tile, marble, laminate, vinyl, and stone. The dual water tank system ensures that you always clean with fresh water, leaving your floors dry and streak-free. Featuring edge cleaning capabilities, the IMAGIC M3 can reach baseboards and corners, making it ideal for precise cleaning. With a self-propelled design, it effortlessly glides across your floors and even handles stairs. The vacuum also includes a self-cleaning function using 160-degree Fahrenheit hot air to keep the brush and tubes dry, fresh, and odor-free. With 2.5 hours of fast charging, enjoy 35 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning. The LED display and voice prompts guide you through the cleaning process, ensuring a seamless experience. Number 5. BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam Scrubbing Steam Mop with Rotating Mop Pads. The BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam Scrubbing Steam Mop is a versatile cleaning tool designed to make floor care easier and more efficient. Featuring rotating mop pads, this steam mop scrubs away dirt, grime, and sticky messes with ease. Equipped with an intelligent LED display, it provides useful information such as cleaning modes, steam levels, floor types, and when the water tank is empty. The fingertip mode controls allow you to adjust steam levels or switch to no steam mode, offering flexibility for various floor types. With LED headlights, you can easily spot areas that need cleaning even in dimly lit spaces. The swivel head ensures that you can easily reach under furniture and along baseboards for a thorough clean. Plus, with every purchase, BISSELL proudly supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, helping to save homeless pets. Ideal for homes with pets and for anyone looking for a smarter way to clean floors, this steam mop is both effective and eco-friendly. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.